some shit to blow up.
Oh, that looks really good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Wait a minute. It's Friday night. I have some whiskey, dark chocolate to eat, and some shit to blow up. Some fireworks. Let's go. Well, I had a really good week at work. So I have a friend, and she came back from Poland, and she brought me back some dark chocolate whiskey. It's pretty good. I'm not really a whiskey drinker. I think that's pretty delicious. So hot out here. I know I usually do fireworks and stuff on the 4th, but this year I decided to just wait until I would do my little show skit after the 4th. I figured that would make more sense and be a lot better and less noisy, right? A lot less noisy. A little traffic over here. People walking by. I'm not sure if I like that. So, I'm wearing my Vera Wing mom pants tonight and a crop shirt. What do you think? Like it?
So mom jeans.
Blow some stuff up and eat some chocolate from Poland with whiskey in it. I thought that would be like, you know, really fun. Here's the box. What do you think? Pretty neat. Let's look inside. I don't even know what these candies look like. Whoa, there are tons of them. Well, there's one wasted. Dang it. I missed it. We're going to learn something about Poland tonight. What do you think? It all comes out there, doesn't it? Yes. A little temperature rise. Okay, on number 2. Hey, what's up? Russia borders Poland. 3,094 miles from Russia to Poland. Russia borders Poland. So does Kazakhstan and North Korea. Flying in an airplane going to Poland from Russia at 560 miles per hour in a plane, you should be to Poland 5 hours and 53 minutes. Interesting facts. People from Poland love dark chocolate. They love their chocolate with their whiskey inside. Definitely try dark chocolate if you haven't. It's healthier for you than milk chocolate. Milk chocolate's full of sugar. We don't like milk chocolate. So try dark chocolate. It's way better. It's okay. I mean, really, you know. So here recently, I've been buying like tons of fruit trees. I have like tons of blueberry, tons of blackberry, tons of strawberry. I have a peach. I have grafted peach, and I have pears, black raspberry fruit, and I just bought another blackberry not too long ago. I'm feeling kind of sick, actually. I think it's time to blow some shit up. What do you guys think? Here at work lately, they've been putting me on wizard knife, which is really cool because I'm feel like a drunk right now. Oh my god. Is there like, what kind of, is this whiskey? Like, oh my god. What proof is this shit? Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah. wizard knife for like last couple of months. They like randomly put me on there. So my supervisor's usually like, Amy, she does this little number. And I'm usually like, when I'm up there, I so take advantage when I'm on my wizard knife the whole time. So I'm like this, right? Like people, you know, we have our wizard knife and we're cutting the bones, you know, off the bellies, and here I am. 3, a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and an 8, and a 9, and a 10, and 11. You multitask. I'm a multitasker. We have these 1, and 2, and 3. Imagine what I can do with my arms and my legs together. What are your secrets, Amy? How do you keep a firm butt and firm legs?
See, I do leg lifts for 8 hours a day.
Who has that much time to do leg lifts?
I do.
Sometimes in life, when life gives you some annoyance, you have to make something delicious out of it, right? Just because something happens that's not good doesn't mean it's going to be bad. Always turn it into something that will benefit you in the long run, right? That there are ugly things that are going to happen, and here soon too, probably. A lot of things are going to happen. Don't be sad and don't be grumpy. And there are things that are happening that are out of your control. Sometimes you have to make some good out of it. Make good out of all the shit, you know. There are bad things that probably will come. I've been warning my YouTube family for a long time, for months, and people at work saying, hey, are you prepping? Are you prepping? Are you prepping? And that isn't a joke. I'm not asking because I'm trying to flirt with you. I'm asking because you need to be prepping for food and growing fruit trees, stuff like that. You have to think of what has happened in the last 2 years that you never thought would have happened, you know? Because it's happening, right?
Keep that in mind when you're hungry. When you're hungry and needing something to eat, and your kids are looking at you because they're hungry and there isn't anything to eat.
Okay? Keep that in mind. Now, with that being said, I think it's time. Duty calls for it.
Time to blow some shit up.
I have this stuff to blow up, but I don't really know how to do it, and if my neighbors are gonna like be weirded out by all the over here. But that sounds pretty fun to me. So let's do this. What do you say? What do you say? I think we should. Okay, so first I have a lot of these. I haven't done fireworks for a while. I think it's time. Okay, let's do this. I don't know what else to make, whatever. My friend Elise, she's going to Hawaii Sunday, and I gave her some money so she could get me some dark chocolate, Hawaiian chocolate, dark chocolate. So I love you, Elise, and I appreciate you bringing me back some stuff. The pearl ankle bracelet and a spaghetti tank top from Hawaii. I love you, girl. You're awesome, and I appreciate it. I really do. I hope you have lots of fun and send me lots of pictures. This one's for you, okay? This is going to be super duper fun. Amid showers of sparks. Should we do it in the street? Here we go. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! that was cool. Yeah. It was awesome. Oh my gosh. It's going with oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my flower vase. It's weird. Let's do this. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Oh. Take it to the streets, baby. But boy, oh boy, was that fun tonight. It was fun. Look how hot it is. I know I'm going to have a really good weekend, the rest of my weekend. I hope you guys do too, okay? Be safe out there. Start growing some trees, some fruit trees. Or, you know what I do? I actually, fastgrowingtrees.com. I buy my trees at like 3 years old already when they're starting to produce their fruit, so I don't have to wait 3 or 4 years, you know, for it to start fruiting. If you want to spend like $130 or $120, get you a peach tree that's ready to produce, or a cherry tree. I bought a cherry tree, and it should be producing fruit, you know, maybe next season. I'm a type of girl, I like to eat, you know, and I don't want to have to go hungry. And I'm a single lady. I don't have anybody watching out for me, so you have to watch out for yourself when you're single, right? I appreciate all your support too. If you haven't subscribed, figure out how to do that and subscribe. Subscribe and then hit the bell notification, and that will send a alert to your device that tells you that Trucker Hat Adventures just posted the new video, and you might want to check it out. I want you to be safe and take it easy, okay? And I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Lost myself, now I'm fully disguised. My heart got bruised up, so I put it on ice. Been told that I wouldn't make it in this life, but now all of you see there's so much room for me. And I know you think I still can take advantage, and you always took my humbleness for granted, but I know my worth, you